the August Core 2024 update. A lot of people say that Google doesn't like affiliate websites, so what I have done is I have created a list of well over 100 websites, all affiliate websites that we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at a few of my favorite affiliate websites and basically trying to figure out as to why Google prefers these websites and why affiliate SEO isn't dead. One thing I will also mention as well is that Google has obviously rolled out the update. I'm recording this at midnight or just 1 a.m. and the August 2024 update was released on 15th of August. But I've analyzed well over 100 websites. All of these websites are doing a lot of, they're ranking for a lot of keywords and they're also earning a lot of money. If you want this sheet, make certain to click the link down below and download it. It is completely free to use. It will get sent to your mailbox. One thing to do is just head over to File and then make a copy. Make a copy for yourself and then you can obviously edit it as you may. But obviously, let's take a look. Hey, very quickly, if you want results like this dental practice, for example, we took the website from 0 monthly visits in November and they are now getting over 750 monthly visits through to their website. They're actually able to generate their own inquiries for the business and they aren't relying on third-party agencies to generate them leads like they were before, or this law firm that we were able to take from 1,100 to just over 2,000 monthly visits through to their website, as you can see from the graph, or this e-commerce store where we were able to grow them from 7,500 to just over 30,000 monthly visits to their website, and it's generating a lot of sales through to their e-com store. If you want results like that, make certain to check out casualdash.com. The link is in the description. Fill out the form, see if my team can help. If I feel like SEO isn't suitable for your business, I can also guide you on where you should be spending your marketing budget. But back to the video. So we've got websites, we've got the URL, we've got the niche, and we've got obviously the monetization method and also estimated earnings. One thing I will say is that with the earnings, it was a little bit hard to find the exact number. So I've kind of went with a range. Some of these websites will be doing more than this. This was basically what was reported from a couple of years ago. But I've put a range and I've also categorized it into various different subtopics as well. But let's take a look at a very known affiliate website in the software space, AppSumo. I'm certain that everybody knows about this. If you haven't already, go and check them out. You can basically get a load of different softwares, and not many people know this, but this is actually an affiliate website. It's actually deemed very useful, which is what Google basically wants. This update is designed to continue our work to improve the quality of search results by showing more content that people find genuinely useful and less content that feels like it was made just to perform well on search. Now, for example, if I wanted like a software, let's say I wanted like a video editing software, I could very quickly just search like video editing and I would get presented by a load of different SaaS products that are listed on AppSumo that does video editing. So again, very useful website. Not many people think of AppSumo as an affiliate website, but it actually is. If you truly do think of it, it is an affiliate website, but it's kind of like below the radar. And there is a commonality with a lot of these websites that I'm going to be showing you guys. And what I mean by that is the best affiliate website, you don't actually know it's an affiliate website, right? So that's AppSumo. But let's go to, like, for example, the gaming, or actually we'll take a look at the tech space, right? One of my favorites in the tech space, and if any of you guys are like PC nerds, you would have probably heard of this website. I'm hoping anyway, but it's PC Part Picker. Now, for anybody that isn't a PC nerd, right? There's obviously different components that go into like your desktop PC, and obviously you need to kind of know that knowledge, or you need to understand enough about like certain PC parts to know that what part is compatible with another part, right? And if you don't know that, you could end up buying a lot of incorrect parts that's just not compatible with one another. Like, for example, your CPU needs to be compatible with your motherboard, right? And with PC Part Picker, that basically does all of that for you, right? So for example, if I wanted like this is like a PC part, right? If I wanted an AMD Ryzen or like an Intel i5, right? We'll pick an Intel i5. Then obviously I would probably want to go and select a motherboard. Now this takes a look at what CPU that I've just selected, which was the Intel i5, and it filters to only show the compatible products for that range. Now, obviously, if you're a complete PC nerd, you would already know that. You might not even need to use this tool, but this allows somebody that is a very novice at picking PC parts to basically like be able to build their own PC without the knowledge of being an expert, because of the filtration process that this website has. And again, it's an affiliate website. Like as soon as I click this link, guess what? It's sending me through to Amazon. Another thing that it's also doing as well is that it's telling me that where the cheapest place is to buy that product. So for example, the motherboard is Amazon, the CPU is Newegg, and if I go to, like, for example, if I choose some memory, let's pick like some 32 gigabytes of RAM, right? And then that's going to be Newegg, and then we'll do a storage device as well. So we'll go with like a 2 terabyte hard drive. That's on Amazon. So very quickly we're able to actually build our own PC and also get the cheapest prices as well, without needing to consult with like an expert PC builder guy, right? So very quickly we can mix and match and build our own PC. Again, you wouldn't necessarily think that this is an affiliate website, especially if you're not like an SEO or anything. Again, it's kind of below the radar. Let's go to the gaming industry, right? HLTV.org. I don't know if any of you guys are big in the esports space, but this was a very, very popular website, or well, it still is, to be fair. I kind of see this as being almost like the Reddit of esports, or Counter-Strike, should I say, which is obviously an esport. But if we rewind like 4 or 5 years ago, it was very, very hard to know which two Counter-Strike teams were playing one another, because it wasn't very well documented online. There was only potentially like HLTV and maybe Reddit 4 or 5 years ago, or maybe even if we go back 10 years ago, right? But this website actually does take into consideration like who's playing, right? So if we click on today's matches, we'll be able to see that NRG is playing versus Party Astronauts, and you can also place a bet as well. So they've actually partnered up with Betway, Parimatch, Unibet, and Bet365. Again, the whole purpose of this website wasn't specifically designed from the word go to actually sell affiliate space or sell affiliate clicks. However, they've kind of just like grouped that in now. I remember like maybe about 8 years ago, this website didn't even have like any affiliate links. All they did sell was actually ad space on the website. Now obviously they've got like the ad space, like the Google AdSense. They've obviously partnered up with Bet365. So this is what in the gambling space, this is like a rental space that they've actually got here. So Bet365 would probably be paying like, I don't know, $5,000, $10,000 a month for this actual banner space. And then obviously they've got like all the player lineups, who's playing, the maps that's been played. Again, you just would not think that this is an affiliate website. To be honest, I wouldn't even class this as an affiliate website, but obviously it does have a lot of affiliate earnings. It's earning 1 to 5 million a year. So we obviously are putting it in that industry. Now let's take a look at the gambling space. This is by far one of my favorite. This is like one of the areas that I actually have the most knowledge in. Let's take a look at OddsChecker, right? Now, for anybody that isn't a betting person or a gambling person, OddsChecker is like a very, very unique website in the sense that it does a lot of the hard work for you if you are a gambler. And what I mean by that is, let's say, for example, we wanted to place a bet on football, right? I'm recording this 16th of August. The Premier League's coming back on very, very soon, this weekend actually, right? And the first game is Manchester United versus Fulham. So let's place a bet, right? We will do. If we wanted to place a bet on Manchester United to win, I hope they don't because I'm not a Man United fan. We can actually see which betting brands gives us the best odds, hence why it's called OddsChecker. Now, if I wanted to do that myself, I would need to go individually to all of these websites. So like, for example, Bet365, check the odds. Sky Bet, check the odds. Paddy Power, check the odds. William Hill, check the odds. 888 Sports, check the odds. If you can think of how time consuming that is, it's very, very, like, even me just explaining it to you, it's very time consuming. Whereas they've kind of aggregated this data for me to say, right, okay, well, Bet365 has given me the second best odds. Sky Bet's given me the third best odds. William Hill, okay, that's given me the best odds. So again, like, you can actually tell with the green highlight, and if we actually check on, like, if we do odds calculator, you'll be able to see single bet calculator for anybody that doesn't understand odds. So if we do 13 to 20, and if we do like £10, so for every £10 we get £16.50 back, so it's a £6.50 total profit on that bet. Now if we were to place a bet on Bet365, for example, right, which is a 3 to 5, as you can see, we would only get £16 back, which is a £6 profit. So this is what I mean, it's highlighted who is actually given the best odds. Now if you can imagine, if this website wasn't here, or if this website wasn't available, I would need to log into each individual, or create an account first of all for each and individual, all of these different betting brands, and then download the app or check the website individually. So again, it doesn't feel like it's an affiliate website. Obviously it is, because like, as soon as I'm like, right, okay, William Hill, it gives me the best odds, I'm just going to sign up to William Hill. But it does all of the long working out for you. So then you can just, instead of creating 20 accounts, all you do is you just create your William Hill account, and then boom, you're ready to go. So there's that type of website. We'll take a look at another website as well. We'll take a look at somewhere in the finance industry. Or actually, yeah, finance industry. Actually, we'll do insurance. So obviously we've got compare.com, which again, this basically, you can put in like your address or the type of car that you want to sign up for an insurance policy, and it will compare all of the insurance policies for you. So if, say for example, there's 10 different insurance providers, it doesn't necessarily mean you need to log into 10 different insurance websites and get a quote individually. This will do the hard work for you, whether it's through an API or something like that. And again, it's just making the experience a lot easier, as opposed to me going to, let's say, Admiral in the UK, putting all my details in once and then going to another competitor or another insurance provider, putting my details in again. This basically takes care of all of that for me. So again, try to think of like websites like that. I've obviously included a lot of different websites that you guys can check out in this sheet. What I will do is there will be a link to this sheet down in the descriptions. Make certain to go and get a copy for yourself. And yeah, I'm hoping that this will give you a lot of ideas as to what type of website that you want to try and build. In some cases, you might need some tech behind it. Like, for example, if I wanted to create something like an odds checker, I'm going to need to obviously plug into different APIs and stuff like that. But that should be fairly easy, especially if you're using AI, or if you've got like a very tech savvy developer. A lot of the actual APIs now are very well documented, so it's easy to plug into, for example, a gambling API. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make certain to get the actual link for this down below. sign up and you will get this sent to your inbox. I will also try to keep this up to date with more websites as the time goes on. And yeah, as you can see, affiliate SEO isn't dead by any means. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like. And as always, if you want a free growth strategy call for your website, make sure to check the link down below and fill out the form or head over to casualdash.com. Thanks.